Only one person in the call, sir. Possible? Any 1 or 2% can join. Otherwise, we'll start it. Till that. Yes, sir. How to know the size of the file? How to know the size of file? First, sir, you can close the door. How to know the size of file? Size of the file, sir, I'm asking. Don't speak, don't speak, don't speak. Yes, sir. I would like to know the size of the folder. Size of the folder. He told you if an access page file name for file name. Same thing, I would like to know the size of the folder. Don't fix the speech. I have folder of Treving. I would like to know the size of it. Size of the folder. D-ss file name, D-ss page folder name, both the comments are same. Size of file also same comment, size of folder also same. I would like to know what are the files and folders are there in slash TMP sizes. In slash TMP, I have a lot of files. I would like to know the size of all the files and folder under slash TMP. I'm already inside slash TMP. I repeat my question. I'm inside slash TMP. What are the files and folders are in slash TMP? I would like to know size of each file and folder. What do you like to answer? I'm in TMP. I would like to know the size of all files and folder under slash TMP. That will show the TMP size. But I would like to know size of all files and folder under slash TMP. Star. You already inside the folder du-ss space star. You madam. Yesterday also asked the same question. I would like to know what is the current directory consumption. I'm inside TMP. I would like to know what is the total size consumed for by the slash TMP. Sheet was for our question. Under slash TMP, what are the files and folders are there? I would like to know size of each files and folder size. Now my question, right? This question is, I'm inside slash TMP. What is the total size consumed by the slash TMP? I'm inside TMP only, madam. I would like to know what is the total size consumed by the slash TMP. We should try that like that, madam. I'm talking about particular folder or files. DFFNX for the partition. C drive, D drive, V drive. Under C drive, I have Praveen folder. What is the total size consumed Praveen folder? What you do in Windows? What you do in Windows, sir? If you want to know size of one folder. What I mean by properties. Same thing I want to discuss. I'm inside slash TMP. I would like to know what is the total size consumed by slash TMP. I'm inside TMP already. I'm already inside slash TMP. D inside space dot. No, real. I'm in slash var. I would like to know, be in class, I would like to know what is the total size consumed by the slash TMP. I should be in var, but I need to check the size consumed by the slash TMP being in slash var. Only TMP or slash TMP? She should be slash TMP now, sir. Correct? You, madam. I would like to know the top 10 highly consumed files or folder under slash TMP. I'm already inside slash TMP. Under slash TMP, I would like to know the top 10 highly consumed files and folder. Top 10 highly consumed files and folder. Yes, sir. ಜೋರಾಗಿ ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕು ನನಗೆ ನಂಗೆ ಕಾನ್ಫಿಡೆನ್ಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲದೆ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ನಾನು ಒಪ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಲ್ಲ. I want the answer, anything you are telling should be a good voice. That's the first thing you should make sure about yourself. Stand in front of mirror, present yourself. Yes, sir. I'm on that clarity. Please understand my question. Don't tell the repeated answer again and again, again and again. Understand my question? I'm already in the class team. I would like to know top 10 highly consumed files and folder under class team. I mean, already I'm in the class team. Pipeline head ಕೊಟ್ಟಾಗ ಬಿಗಿನಿಂಗ್ ಎಲ್ಲ 10 ಫೈಲ್ ತೋರಿಸಿದೆ ಸರ್ ನನಗೆ ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಟಾಪ್ 10 highly consumed files and folder under class team. Yes, sir. Pipeline sort. File name I don't know. I'm not sorting with respect to file. I'm sorting with respect to. Yes. Repeat on a second. Pipeline sort. Yes. The same ಕೊಡ್ತೀರಾ ಅದು. Sort is right. DU-SS space star will give. Correct? What's the thing we use it, sir, here? DU-SS star ಕೊಟ್ಟಾಗ ಎಲ್ಲ ಸೈಜ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. Correct? Linux doesn't know the KB, MB, GB I told. SHK we need to use. Then we need to use sort. I want to sort with respect to column number 1. Size ಯಾವ column ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ? Next -NR because I want top 10 descending order. Then get. With all the things we done in class. Everything we done in class. If you're not investing time, not going to work. Please, next person. You, sir. You, madam. I would like to know the details of one user completely. You, madam. I would like to know when is the last password change for the user. This user called Riaz. When is the last password change for that user? I would like to know. Tell me, what you know, I can answer. My question is, when is the last password change for the user called Riaz? This user Riaz, when is the password changed for him? You already completed the command, but you should tell with confidence. What is the command? CH-L only. CH-L only will show, sir, when is the last password change for the user. Last password change. Then you, madam. How to verify user is part of how many groups? There is a user called. Understand. There is a user called Praveen. Praveen is part of how many groups? I'm not asking group contains how many users. I'm asking Praveen is part of how many groups? I would like to remove user from a group, madam. Good. Very good. How to delete a group, sir? How to delete a user? user del bari user del. We have two options there. User del ಮತ್ತೆ user del. User del and user del hyphen r. That you should know the difference. User. I would like to know how many times each content repeats in a file. Let's say 5 is a multiple repeated content. I would like to know how many times each content repeats in a file. Long term.
Sort file name, pipe and moving hyphen Z.
You. What is the difference zip and gzip?
Zip will create another zip file. Gzip will create the original file will be converted to zip file.
I would like to know the content of the compressed file. There is a file called praveen.gz. Praveen.text ಇತ್ತು ಅದು ಕಂಪ್ರೆಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ praveen.text.gz ಆಯ್ತು. I would like to know the content of it. Content of the compressed file. Don't think the content of the compressed file. Asking the Aman sir. Asking him sir. Asking him. You already answered, right? Okay. Next question for you. I have a file. I have praveen.dz. I would like to know what is the original file under praveen.dz. Without extracting, I would like to know which is the original file under praveen.dz. I have a file called praveen.dz. I would like to know which is the original file under praveen.dz. Want me to repeat the question? There's a compressed file praveen.gz. Correct? On the original file na compress ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಇದು ಬರುತ್ತೆ ನಮಗೆ. Correct? I have compressed file. I would, without extracting, I would like to know which is the original file under praveen.gz. Vivek. Then can you know the content? And content ಬೇಕಾಗಿಲ್ಲ. What is the original file name which under gz? Arun. Nandre Inge sir. You sir. Can you try sir? You sir. You only sir. Jara Gedi. Ganti-L. Ganti-L is going to list out which is the original file under the compressed file. Good sir. You sir. Not you. Here now. Can you explain the explain the process of different idling and
it is like copying one. If any changes done in original file or duplicate file, it will be replicated in both. Idling, soft link is like pointer, which will point to the original file, which consume more less memory.
Less space.
It is applicable for directory and
cross partition also. Idling, any important point? One point.
Idling is only idling cannot be
for directory. That's okay. But apart from that one important.
Same inode.
That is an important point. Idling carrying the same inode number. Idling is not applicable for directory. Idling is not applicable for cross partition. Even if you delete the original file, idling file can be used for creating another idling. Soft link is just a pointer. It doesn't have a same inode number. It is applicable for directory also. It is applicable for cross partition also. Once the original file got deleted, soft link file can't be accessed. Yes? No? Yes. I would like to know what is the use of flash terminal. Flash terminal. I told you. Flash terminal. Anybody can try, sir? It's on. No group answer. You are answering? You don't need either, right? No, you don't need it. Someone answer it. You only know, madam. Who is answering? You answering.
Special files in the bigger server. One of the things to redirect it goes to run file.
Very good. You got improved. Super. Nandan, whenever you create a user, sir, server ಎಲ್ಲ change ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಹೇಳ್ತೀರಾ? One second. You three, anyone can answer? You are answering well, madam, previously. After you went for vacation and came back, you don't know. I don't know. Anyone can answer? If you create a user, who is going to answer? Can you tell? You three. You. Right.
ETC password, ETC shadow, user home directory, and ETC file under ETC gets stored in home or user home directory as given.
ETC, what are the files that ETC scan will get copied to user of directory. Now I want to answer from last one. Anyone? No, you should lift your hand, okay? Don't skip. Last bit means Aman group, not you. Okay? I asked you three, right? And once and another. Yes, sir. I would like to know the currently logged in shell, sir. Who is going to answer? Currently logged in shell. Any answer is okay for me. At least make an attempt that I am. Instead of being silent, at least if tell what you feel. That is the first thing I expect. Nanatha Mathadi, sir, don't pick his manager. Pick his one. Out of the currently logged in shell.
Yes, I know.
Correct. Sure. What are the types of shells available, Vivek? Okay. Okay. Which shell by Varun? User not able to log in. Till now we discussed about we came to know about 8 reasons. Tell me 2 reasons enough.
Password.
How to verify?
Secure.
Secure, where it located? Please, sir. Please, sir. Don't help your friends in the answering, sir. You're making them to not to come out of comfort zone. You're spoiling your friends. Everyone should get job now, sir. Yes or no? Everyone coming for job, right? Helping friends in the college is different. Here when they're learning, they should come out of your first thing. You think be good for yourself. You take me wrong also, no problem. Friendship, everything will be there. Correct? As the life goes, first when you want to help others, first we should do it. That's a basic rule. I started to implement from past 5 years. Seriously, it's like this only. Helping the friend, I'm not telling wrong. First you be good, then help others. That's your point of first. Yes, sir.
Password expired.
Password expiring ನೋಡೋದು. How to verify password has been expired also. User. Can anyone tell me all the 8 reasons? Apart from that, who was going to tell all 8 reasons? Anyone? This bench? Anyone? Yes? No? No? Anil? Enrica? Yes or no? No. This bench? Yes.
Password reference, then wrong password, the SB no login, account expired, password expired, allow user, any user, password locked.
Very good. Super. Now, we discussed about the ACL yesterday. We discussed about the ACL for directory. Please practice. I only telling you, asking question again and again and again, so you will be get remembered. Sir. You will get remembered. I think first thing you should, everyone is learning. You also learning. I'm teaching Linux means doesn't mean that I know everything in Linux. Correct? Linux is a ocean. For past 8.5 years or 9 years now, what are the things I am working on it? I am explaining you. But there are a lot of things which I don't know. Correct? We should be, whenever you're telling any right, wrong answer, you should not feel like I'm telling wrong answer. I have lack of knowledge. I have short of the knowledge. I don't have IT experience. I'm coming from civil background. I'm coming from mechanical background. No. Tell openly what you want. When you tell, discuss openly only, your good outcome will come. When you block yourself from answering anything, right? That is the first step of drawback for yourself. You are blocking yourself. You are not telling, by this thing what will happen, opposite person take advantage only. When you blocking your voice, when voice got reduced, when your voice is getting reduced, then opposite person will take advantage. This person doesn't know anything. Even if you're telling right also, other person reading wrong answer with a full of confidence. They'll prefer them only. Correct also, this thing will happen in the world also. That's the thing. You should be bold enough to speak out. First thing I suggest, instead of being silent, at least try to use your mind. What the thing you will practice 1 hour enough. That's the only thing I'm telling you. Last 1 month. Please observe. Now ACL we discussed it. ACL discussed for directory. Now we going to discuss about the recursive permission for that ACL. I'll take the questions once again, please. We'll try to arrange on practical test as soon as possible. So it will be clear for you guys much more. Maybe your 15th. 15th only will plan. I feel so. Let's see. 15th, sir. August 15th. No holiday. August 15th, why holiday? Independence we got. You come on. No holiday, sir. Why holiday? Why you require holiday, sir? On that day I will have holiday. I can take more relaxedly. You come on that day. 15th also is there. 16th also is there. Office. August 15th. Why? What time? 12:30. No, within 12:30 only. Within 12:30 only. I have AWS class also on that. AWS is there. Observe now. Come back, sir. See, if you give the, don't have any mention, like time, when you come for learning course with me, sir, if you want the complete advantage, if you want to take complete advantage of mine, you should give me more time. Holiday, festival, Varma Lakshmi, and then are not going to work. Okay, you make arrangement yourself, you should come. Otherwise, a lot of topics you will miss it for your back. You decide it. I'm going to do 20 hours extra. That you should give time to me. If you don't want to give time, then it will be a lot of things you will miss it for you. I don't want to make that one because what the industry required, I am preparing for you completely. Self-scripting I am doing you, that biggest advantage for you. Please keep your mind. Now, observe sir, people are planning for native and all, everything cancel it, please. Planning for native, August 15, who want holiday, yeah? Who wants, sir? Tell me frankly. Anyone planned? What you planned, sir? Native 15th only. 15th, 16th also not coming. Then you should watch the recording. There's no option for that one. I'm not cancelling class. 15th, 16th, both the day class will be there. Correct? Morning class will be there by 11 o'clock, I think so. By 11 morning, I'll be taking AWS, and after 11 to this, I will take the Linux for your batch only. Yes, sir. More the fast we complete, that much revision we can do, that much practical test we can do. More that class fasterly we finish the practical test we can do. Practical test you can do so that it will be more particular for you, more helpful for you. If missing classes, I'm not going to stop anyone. That you should watch the recording. To watch recording, you should make sure before coming to the next one. Please be very serious in searching job until you learn it. If you're missing classes, you're learning is a problem for you only. Please. Observe now. Now, I would like to know recursive permission, sir. Santosh, I write a question now. Santosh should be able, please observe, sir, please. Because of this, I prepared before 15 days, sir. What are the holidays I am having? I am preparing more on that day. I can come with more relaxed. Please don't take, it's not like a school or college. It's doing for our job. That keep in your mind. Okay? August 15, what you will do? What you will do, sir? Anil Kumar. Correct? Come here. Santosh should be able to 4 options. Please observe. Please observe. Create and delete the files inside directory and subdirectories also. And Santosh, please don't fix. Santosh should be able to add and delete a content inside and delete content to all the files residing under directory and subdirectory also. Yes, sir. Yesterday, everyone came. People who not came, you are the only person. You should watch recording, sir. But I can't help now. Now, I'll go to the server. Please, we'll see the condition first, one by one. Please observe. First, I'll do it. Later, you can do it. Get FACL dot. Owner is root group. This is a permission. Group this permission given, and Santosh is given the access. Yes or no, sir? Only for the main directory given access. Now I'll do ls-ntr. So this all the things, there's no issue. Now I'm going to log in Santosh. Please observe. Later you can do. Please observe. Keep your mind here. HTMP ACL DIR 55. Observe my delay. Now Santosh got the access. I can verify here. Get FCL. Space dot. Santosh got a read, write, execute access on the directory. Correct, sir? Now I'm able to create a file. I'm able to delete a file. Now I'll try to add a content to file. What are the questions, sir? Santosh should be able to create and delete a file inside directory also, subdirectory also. Santosh should be able to add and delete a content to all the files residing under directory also, subdirectory also. These 4 condition instrument. Now we gain permission only for the main directory. I'll try to add a content to file as a Santosh Kumar. So, echo. I'll try to add to Y2. What I'm getting, sir? Permission denied. I go inside subdirectory U1, sir. I'll try to create a file, sir. It won't work, sir. I try to delete a file. It won't work. I try to add a content to file. It won't work. Yes, sir. Because we given access for Santosh only for main directory. Correct? But Santosh should be able to perform this all the action. What I need to do? Recursively we need to give us. Yesterday what the command we given? Same command. Illi -r ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Only for Santosh user, I am giving recursive access for all the things. Read, write, execute also required. Why? Because if you give only read, write recursively, only you get access on file. To access the file, first I need to go inside directory. For that I require read and execute. Bari read execute in use agalla. You're able to only see the what's the thing. So I giving read, write, execute. Understanding my point, sir? Same thing we done with chmod -r. chmod -r we given. Now we are going to ACL for particular user access. Getting my point, sir? No. I'm going to root user. I'm already inside the directory. I'm inside the base directory, sir. Correct? Nodili. Set -r -m u colon Santosh colon rwx. I'm already inside directory. Give that. Now I'll do get FACL star ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ sir. Star ಕೊಟ್ಟರೆ ಎಲ್ಲ files ಅನ್ಕೊಂಡು. Before that, I'll do ls -n so that you can get a confirmation. ಎಲ್ಲದಕ್ಕೂ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಸಿಂಬಲ್ ಬಂತಾ? ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಸಿಂಬಲ್ ಬಂದಿದೆ ಸರ್ ಎಲ್ಲದಕ್ಕೂ? Correct? Now we give the backend access. Backend access for who got the access? To know that one, if you want to know everything, what are the things inside that? Getfcl dot ಕೊಟ್ರೆ present directory ಮಾತ್ರ. Correct? Getfcl star ಕೊಟ್ರೆ going to check for all the no everywhere has Santosh have access. Yes or no? Now I'll try to perform all the actions, then we'll discuss. Try to add a content. I6 working, sir. I'll go into the subdirectory U1. I'll try to create a file. Sorry, root argument. You should tell me no, sir. Now I'll go back here. So I go to Y3 working. I go into the subdirectory U1. I'll try to previously I got permission denied. You can see here. Everywhere I got permission denied. Correct, sir? Now I'll try to create a file. Working. I try to delete a file. Working. I'll try to add a content to file. Working. Because we given the recursive permission for the Santosh. Read and execute. Because bari read write kotre, you get access on the file, but you are not able to see your directory also. So you should give the permission recursive whenever you give recursive permission. You should applicable for file also, folder also. That type of permission you should consider and should give. Please try this thing. And do. Please confirm the. Please do it. AWS added a Skype videos.
Yes, it was.
6 videos, 2 videos was missing. They added another 2 videos. You can download them. Notes you will be getting today.
Okay.
ಏನೇ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ಸರ್? Fifteenth we'll plan for practical test. First we'll have the class 11 to 12. 11 to 12 we have the class. You can go to office. Okay. After 12 we'll plan for practical test till group admission.
So from 12
to 1:30. You want to your office? 12 to 1:30. We have class and we'll go practical.
Not possible.
9 o'clock I need to take AWS class. AWS class is there, 9 o'clock. I'll update in group. I'll confirm in the group. Please complete this thing first. People who have AWS, they will be on 15, 16, 17, 18. Okay? 15, 16, 17, 18. 4 days in there. Can as early we complete the Dakhan practical test we can do. They'll make a group 3 people perform with it. Done sir? Aman aita sir, in doubt. All done sir? Done? Yes, no. After giving, you should log in Santosh, you should try creating files, deleting files, the directory of the subdirectory also, adding content to the existing files which are under directory of the subdirectory. Okay, sir? Correct? Same thing we got to repeat for the group now. The recursive file again, some user report, group ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. Next we are going to discuss about how to remove the access. Clear, sir? Same thing we are going to do for the group. Let me compose now. Ajay and April 29. This question concludes all the complete ACL permission. Ajay and Santosh should be able to perform this all the action. This I don't want to do as an individual user. I want to do it as a group. I want to do it as a group. Getting my point, sir? Same question. U बदलो G आगे understand. U बदलो G आगे G colon group name. But when you test it, afterwards you're going to do it. Then we discuss about how to remove the ACL permissions. Clear, sir? Now, first let me log in as Ajay Kumar. You're doing right? Observe now. Please observe, please observe, please observe. I'll go to cd/tmp ACL dir 55. Please observe. 1 second, sir. 1 second, 1 second. I'll do get FACL dot. I'm already inside directory. G August 6 गया read at execute access इले. G August 6 आएंगे read at execute. In G August 6 how many users are there? Cat etc group pipeline grep of G August 6. Is this sir? Correct? No. Ajay logged in. No, Ajay I try to create a file. It will work. Under base directory, I try to delete a file. It will work. Correct, sir? But I try to add a content to file. It's not going to work because we given the group access only for the main directory. Main directory. You can see here. Even if you do get FACL of any file, you can able to see plus symbol. Plus symbol ಯಾರು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರೋದು access ಸಂತೋಷಕ್ಕೆ ಮಾತ್ರ. Y7 ಕೊಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. ಸಂತೋಷ್ ಮಾತ್ರ access ಸಿಕ್ಕಿರೋದು. Correct? G August 6 don't have access here. Yes or no? We have only base directory permission. Now I want to give access for everyone. Correct? So same command I'm going to use set FACL -r G colon G August 6 -rwx. Already directory ಒಳಗಡೆ ಇದೀನಿ. Dot ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ. Yes or no? Yes sir. Sorry. So I'm doing as Ajay sir. Should do it as a root. Go back here. Set FACL -r -m G colon G August 6 colon rwx dot. Yes sir. Done. Now you can see get FACL star here. You'll be able to see everywhere G August 6 entry. Under G August 6 Ajay is present. Correct sir? We are get Ajay getting the access because of the group. We applied ACL for the group, so all part of that group the user gets access. Yes or no? Now I need to try for Ajay for everything, then I can confirm me. I'll go here. Where is Ajay Kumar? I'll try to create a file. I try to add a content to file. I try to go inside the subdirectory U1. I try to create a file. Working. I try to delete a file. Working. I try to add a content to file. You should tell me, no? I'm doing. No, I identifying the. What is the mistake other people should follow same? I'm doing as a root. I'm telling small voice you're telling. You should tell in big voice, madam. Huh? All the file got deleted now. What I can do now? I can create a. Okay, fine. Ajay, right? People who do mistake will be silent. What Vijay? First bench you're sitting. Huh? Able to? I'll try to delete a file. Working sir. I'll try to add a content to file. It should work. I go inside subdirectory. I try to create a file. Working. I try to delete a file. Working. I try to add a content to file. It will be working. We given the Ajay access of group. What same command? Set FACL -r -m G colon G August 6 colon RWX is directory name. We give with the user level also, we can give group. With this type of group, you can give multiple group. It's not compulsory, only one group you can give. Another group, another group you want to give access, very multiple users, multiple group is the backend. Try to try the even getting answer again. Right. Done, sir. After giving permission, please try. Try to do this Ajay user, try to the group user. Done? Yes? No?
Yes.
Still you are doing sir, please let me know.
Sir, it has get type is here. How do you come to the recursively communication?
Recursively we can't verify. We need to check for each file and folder. We can't verify whether it is recursively or not. We need to check for all the files and folder. Where? Like you are not okay. Get it here. The one directory directory is the LRG user. The need to initial file. Here is last code. Last code, right? Code is getting done. Sir, no. Done, sir? Done? Done, madam? Done? Yes or no? Okay. Next we'll discuss about how to remove ACL permission. We given for access, we given for group, we given recursively for user, we given recursively for group. Now we are going to remove the ACL for particular user and particular group. Particular group and all the ACL how to remove also I am going to help you out. Correct? Please keep your mind here. Now, any one file I'll take under the root user. Anything I'll take. Let me go to we created one file, right? What is the file name? ACL 55.txt. You can do on file also, folder also, nothing matters. This all the access is there. HDI file which I created. Correct? Any file or folder wherever you can track, that's no issue. Here I am having access for Santosh Abhi and G August 6. How's yes or no? Now I want to remove access for Santosh. I want to remove access only for the Santosh. ZFSEL -x u:*Santosh file name. When you giving access, permission ಕೊಡಬೇಕು ಸರ್ -rw. Remove access ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ನಮಗೇನು -rw ಬೇಕಾಗಿಲ್ಲ. I am going to remove access. Please observe. got removed, sir. Santosh illa. Correct? ಅದೇ ತರ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ಗೆ G colon ಕೊಡ್ತೀವಿ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. If you want to remove access for user, U colon. If you want to do recursively, -R. Correct? Karthik, -R. If you want to remove all the ACL at a time, I have 100 ACL supplied. 100 group ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀನಿ, 100 user ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಯಾವ ACL ಇದೆಯೋ ಎಲ್ಲ ACL remove ಆಗ್ಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ ಈ ಫೈಲ್. That how to do, I'll tell you. If you want to test this thing, test it first. Set ACL -X, U colon, username. You want to try with the group also, G colon, group name. Recorded, no, sir. Sorry, we can chat it for you, sir. Sir, we can chat it. We can chat it. Done, sir. Set ACL -X, U colon, username for remove the ACL for the user. If you give G colon, it's for group. Everyone done, right? No. If you want to remove, anyone doing? Yes, no. All done? No. I want to remove all the ACL at a time. Let me show you. I want to remove all the ACL at a time for a particular file. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇವಾಗ ಯಾರಿಗಿದೆ ಅಭಿಗೆ ಮತ್ತೆ G August 6 ಇದೆ sir. Correct? Let me give another 2 to 3 users. I'm going to give, you no need to do. Just observe it. So for to verification, set ACL -M, U colon Ajay ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ. Ajay ಎಲ್ಲ. I'll give for Santosh again. Now, U colon, Santosh I'm giving once again, ACL 55.text. Next time giving for the Ajay also. Ajay also I'm going to give separately. Nodi sir. We having a this one ACL applied now. Ajay, Santosh, Abhi and G August 6. Yes or no? I want to remove all the ACL at a time. Set ACL -B. -X for removing particular user, particular group. Set ACL -B for blind removal of the ACL. -B for blind removal of the ACL. Nodi, one sec. Before that, 1 second. Just I'll show you first. Plus symbol is yeah. This is the proof ACL is there. Now I'll do set ACL -B. -B for blind removal of all the ACL at a time. 1000 ACL applied also, it going to remove for all the ACL. Set ACL -X for removing ACL for particular user, particular group. -B vandu all the ACL, making a blind removal. Correct? You are not a plus symbol illa. This is the proof ACL has been removed. Correct or no, sir? Now avagale 4 ಜನಕ್ಕೆ ACL. Ajay, Abhi, Santosh, Abhi group. Now I'll check get FCL. ಯಾರಿಗೂ ಇಲ್ಲ. Yes or no, sir? Set ACL -X for remove a particular user, particular group. Set ACL -B for remove the ACL for the all the ACL at a time. Please try. Understanding? Please. ಆಯ್ತಾ ಸರ್? Understanding or no? Guys, on mask entry, sir, yeah? This one. This is going to discuss on Tuesday, Monday after. That also. If you want to do recursively, hyphen R. Now done, sir? Any confusion? Any doubt? Sure, right? No. Now, behind the last question of the permission, I'm going to paste this question straight first, sir. Observe now, please. We have last question called as a chatter. Change attribute. Last question called as a change attribute. Please understand, sir. As I mentioned yesterday, only one permission where the root also will lose the access. Where root also will lose the access. Please understand, sir. Till now, root is a super user. Root can perform anyone without any permission. But when using this permission, sir, root user also will not be able to. Till now, we have not seen a condition, right? Root not able to delete a file. Root not able to add a content to file. Root not able to perform. Normal user not easy. Because it is normal. When you apply this permission, sir, this you people going to do practical on Monday. But I am going to show you an example. At least you get some understanding of it. Monday, I am going to discuss this topic, but I am going to tell you now. Correct? When you apply chatter, meaning is change attribute. Chatter full form is change attribute. When you apply this command, there are two ways of applying chatter plus high, chatter plus a. Chatter plus high is nothing but the making the file immutable. Making the file immutable. That means nobody will be able to perform any changes on the file. That I'm going to show you. Please understand it. Monday we're going to do for both file also, folder also. That's very important. Please keep your mind 5 minutes. Create one file, sir, dummy file, hy.text. Please observe, sir. Yes, sir, yeah. I'll give. Any doubts, sir? Confusion?
Sir, set the user ID.
Set, oh, that's okay. You set user ID, I missed that one, no? I'll tell you. Monday. Okay. You should ask me, sir. Inform me, then I clear. I will clear. You should inform me. No, what are the things you're getting in your mind? Please openly discuss it. No worry. No issue. I give triple some permission, sir. That means everyone able to do anything. Correct, Alva? Now I'll go to normal Santosh user /tmp. They say hy.text. I'm able to add a content to file. Yes, you know. Correct, sir? Now again I go back to root user. I'll apply now chatter plus high. How to verify? Please observe, please observe. This is a file. Now apply chatter plus high. Meaning is making the file immutable. Chatter plus apply ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ls-ltr ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸ್ ತೋರಿಸಲ್ಲ. Then how to verify chatter has been applied or not? ls-attr. Correct, sir? Now previously normal user was able to add a content to file. ಅವಳ permission ಇತ್ತು. hy.text 6 permission ಇದೆ. But now you try to do what I'm getting. This is a normal user. Even root user also not able to do now. That is the point. One chat has been applied, root user also lose its. Till date, we never seen any issue with root user not able to perform anything. Correct, sir? Root user can able to destroy the server now, but not able to delete this file. Root user. Root user. Only one reason the root is not able to perform anything on a file is chatter only. One chatter is applied, even though I have complete permission, like government. They give complete, we are giving complete power to them. They are going to control. Yes, sir. Chatter plus I. For complete permission is yes, sir. But not able to perform anything. Correct? This is the when root user not able to delete a file. There can be only one reason. This thing. Correct? This we are going to discuss on Monday. Correct? If you want to remove chatter, chatter minus I. Now I'll try to do. It will work. Correct? This we're going to discuss in detail on Monday, both our file and folder. If I do now, I have doubt.